In building our action plan, we consulted over 6,300 children and young people. Based on their feedback, we now have a way forward. We are presenting a common understanding of cyberbullying because we cannot address this problem EU-wide if we do not agree what does it mean. The action plan focuses on 3 pillars. Firstly, a coordinated approach across the EU. We invite all member states to translate common objectives to effective national policies. We make also full use of our existing legislation, but also look at where we can better address cyberbullying in the future. This includes, for example, the upcoming review of the DSA guidelines of the protection of minors and the DSA guidelines on trusted flaggers. The second pillar is all about enhancing prevention and awareness. We want to boost healthy and responsible digital practices from an early stage and early age to help prevent cyberbullying, focusing especially on digital literacy, which is crucial for the resilience of our societies in the digital era. Everybody has a role to play here, from schools to sports clubs, youth centres and communities. And finally, the third pillar focuses on reporting and support, ensuring that we have trusted and accessible channels to report abuse and get also comprehensive help. The Commission will support the rollout of an online safety app in Member States to enable children and young people to easily report cyberbullying, store and send also evidence, and receive tailored assistance. For this action plan work, we need everybody to invest. The Commission, but also our Member States and the many active local communities we have across Europe, so that our children and young people, they can be online safely and no one is left behind. So many thanks, and now my dear colleague Glenn will share more